Welcome back to my channel! Yay! Okay, so hi mga loves! It's been a while since my last vlog. And today, actually, we're going to have a review sa isa sa ating mga nagpadala ng lip tint. So, ito ay ang bagong lip tint na organic. At hypoallergenic lip tint din siya. At sila ay, pangalan nila ay mga Pixie Dust. So, cute-cute ng kanilang, anong tawag nito? Itong layout ng kanilang lip tint. Ayan, may maliit na fairy. Siya si Pixie. Tsaka, 10 ml siya. Tsaka, nandito yung mga ingredients. And what's very intriguing about this brand is that parang not intriguing naman, but it's very special for me dahil meron siyang mga verses kagaya nito. Ayan, it says, He satisfies your years with good things. So, Psalm 103 verse 5. So, every bottle ng kanilang lip tint ay, ano talaga, may mga verses. So, meaning to say, ino-offer talaga nila all glory to our Lord Jesus Christ. O, diba, bongacious? Okay, so meron silang 8 shades, mga love. So, we will try this. Ano ba yun, this? We will try these shades para ma-check natin kung ano sila. Okay, let's do this. Come on. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Malapit talaga akong malubat. So, yung description ng Pixie Dust nasa description box lang. Don't forget to go to their IG and their Facebook, Pixie Dust Co. Thank you so much, mga loves. Until next time. Bye-bye!